So guys, today I have with me something really wacky and something that I have been trying to get my hands on since I think last 6 to 7 months. Now honestly, I discovered the rainbow highlighter because of some international beauty bloggers. I saw this on their channel and I was like, oh my god, I have to get me some. And quite honestly, that is so weird because you guys know me, right? I usually wear like just a little bit of lipstick, a little bit of eyeliner, mascara, and that's all. I barely ever wear foundation, forget about wearing highlighters. So it's just weird, but I really wanted this highlighter because it looked so interesting. And then when I went to find it online, it was not there, you know, it was either not available or it was not shipping to India. So finally I have with me a rainbow highlighter of my own. So I'm just going to try this thing out in front of you guys and share the link with a 15% off code in the description box below if you want this for yourself. Mostly in the shades of a rainbow except for the color indigo, which I think they mashed up with the color blue. It has a light shimmery texture with a design stamped on it. So taking this on my finger now, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to swipe it for 2 or 3 more times to just get a good payoff. And going to my cheekbone, I like it. Let me zoom in the camera a bit for you guys. Now considering that I'm not wearing foundation, I'm not wearing primer, in fact I did not even wear any moisturizer today, you know, I was just in a rush to sit down and make this video. So I did not wear moisturizer also. I think the color payoff is pretty good. Sorry about the noise in the background if you can hear the birds chirping. Personally I don't think it's noise, you know, I love the sounds, but I can understand if it gets a little, you know, disturbing in the videos. So anyways, going back to the rainbow highlighter, it says on the page that you can also use this as an eyeshadow. I think you can use it as an eyeshadow if you don't want it to last too long. The color payoff is pretty good, but I prefer my eyeshadows to be slightly stronger in color. But if you want to use this, you can use it to last for like 2 or 3 hours. I think it will work pretty well that way too. So yes, the effect is definitely quite dramatic, which can be only worn, you know, if you're like going, at least according to me, that's how I feel. Everybody has their own way of dressing up. Personally, I would wear this only, you know, if I'm going for like some kind of a wild party or like say a cricket match or something like that. In those cases, this is something which I would definitely like to flaunt. Otherwise, I think on the other days, I would just like to give it a little bit of a brush and use it as a regular highlighter probably. It does work really well even as a regular highlighter. Actually, you know what, as a regular highlighter, it still has these colors. It has a little bit of blue, a little bit of the yellow. I think you can see the tinge. It definitely looks nice. So anyways, that was the rainbow highlighter. In case you guys are interested in trying something weird out, this could be definitely it for you. Like I said before, I'll share the link with a 15% off code in the description box below if you want to check it out. And yes, with that I'm gonna end this video now. Also, by the way, let me know if you want me to do a DIY on rainbow highlighters. I would love to make a DIY video on how you can, you know, make a rainbow highlighter yourself. So yeah, let me know if you want me to make a video on how to make a rainbow highlighter yourself. And yeah, I'll do that video too. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.